energy. I am the Reverend Thurgood Stubbs, God's holy daredevil. That's right, I said God's holy daredevil, because I dare the devil to stop me from doing God's holy work.
First of all, what the hell are you doing with a pet rat? And don't you know these things spread disease? Look what it did to your dog.
He ain't a dog, he's a man.
Oh, dear God, no!
Jimmy likes his coffee like he likes his women.
Yeah, well, anybody else want a big-ass coffee?
Miss Avery, please, don't
You ain't
go.
got nothing to say.
Thurgood only has one testicle.
Where's that uncivilized bum?
There he is, in the breakfast nook.
Get it! Come on,
Speaking of romance, pull my finger.
What?
Let's titty caca poo 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 titty poo poo. Plus it'll give me a chance to show off my really big vocabulary. And it's really, really big. Big, big, big and good. It's a big, good, really big, good vocabulary. Good, blah, blah, blah. Boy, am I a beast. Good night, Miriam. Oh, boy, do I feel refreshed. Nothing like a good night's sleep. Rise and shine, Rip Van Winkle. Time to make breakfast.
Thurgood, we just got in bed. Those are the movie lights.
What? Hey, this has been going on for 3 days. I got half a mind to go out there right now and...